Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the can is depressurized and the rim is intact. This preserves safety and ensures a clean cut. Once done, clamp the can cutter firmly to a stable surface so the blade tracks true. You position the blade at the rim edge and set rotation, slower for thin tins, faster for thicker metal, because speed affects heat and burr formation. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection to prevent cuts or flying shards while you start. You continue by engaging a smooth, steady cutting motion. Apply moderate downward pressure and let the blade do the work. Once the blade bites, maintain consistent rotation and alignment so the cut follows the rim without wandering, as misalignment causes jagged edges. Pause occasionally to clear metal shavings and inspect the blade. A dull blade increases torque and creates burrs. Make sure to adjust feed rate if you feel vibration. You finish the job by smoothing the cut edge. Use a file or 220-400 grit sandpaper to remove burrs and press any remaining sharp lip inward for safe handling. Once done, inspect the seam for any missed sections. If the cut is incomplete, reclamp the can, realign the blade, and carefully finish the pass. If the cutter slips or binds, stop immediately, resecure the setup, and replace a worn blade. This solves most issues and prevents damage or injury while completing the task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.